I hope everybody had a great time. Once again, please, no eating or drinking inside the tram car. Face masks are currently optional and the floor will begin to rotate now. Enjoy your trip back now. Thank you.
Well, you had a great day, enjoyed delicious food, and took the opportunity to experience the wonders of Mount Sanderson State Park alone. If you didn't have the opportunity to have one of the state park volunteers relax. You might want to put this on your list of things to do. Visit us again. As we descend out on top, you see below you the desert cities of the Coachella Valley. Straight ahead, as our line of travel, is the city of Desert Hot Springs with Highway 62. That's the road 3 in the city's north. Closer to us and on the right is the city of Palm Springs. Going farther to the right of our travel is the city of Rancho Dorado, Indian Wells, Palm Desert, Laquita, Indio, and you may have noticed on your way out the many windmills you see to the left of our travel. Those burning blades are powered by the almost constant winds that pour out the mouth of the manufacturer. The electricity that these windmills generate is sufficient to power thousands of homes in our state. Well, why don't you get back and enjoy the view of the Coachella Valley, and I'll be back anyway.
They probably use like 8 or 10 little birds. Yeah, they still use them for maintenance. Yeah, they still use them. Number 3! Yeah, that's the top one. Got another way up. Bigger swimming pool it was.
We will pass the other tram car shortly. They'll be on the right-hand side,
Oh yeah, there it is. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh, you can barely see it.
Yeah.
In the wild,
We're about halfway home now, and it's your last chance, at least on this trip, to breathe in some of that fresh mountain air.
Yeah, but aren't you scared? You're not scared? You scared? Yeah. This is too hard.
One car
A little bitty water.
Look at the rock. What? Brought this up.
Down below, you'll soon be able to see the roof of the tank that stores the water collected from the streams that flow in the canyon. That water, and for that matter, all of the food, materials, and other provisions that are used in the mountain station have to be transported up on these Tram cars. Water from the mountain station is pumped into the tanks that attach to the bottom of the cars, which are then emptied at the mountain station. Each car can carry 800 gallons of water. Now, we limit that depending on how many guests are transported in each car. We'll be pulling into the Valley Station dock in just a few minutes. We know that you take with you memories of a great adventure of your visit to a state park that encompasses 13,000 acres of pristine wilderness, 54 miles of hiking trails, and 6 primitive campgrounds. I doubt you covered it all today. Depending on the time of the year you visit Mount San Jacinto, you could see one or more of the 14 different mammals who call the mountain home. From deer mice, California coyotes bat, ring-tailed cat and a bobcat, to maybe a mountain lion or coyote. They're all there to see. Or you might spot some of the 63 species of birds, such as the golden eagle, Steller's jay, dark-eyed junco, red-tailed hawk, white-headed woodpecker. You get me. There's just too much to be experienced in just one visit to this magnificent mountain.